Hey everyone, Tech Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text messages not show up on the lock screen on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go into your setting. Now once you go to your setting, scroll down until you get to notifications. And in the notification, we're going to scroll down a little bit further to messages. Now you have a couple options when it comes to not showing your text message on the lock screen. First thing you can do is if you're specifically you don't want the preview, but you want maybe the notification to say the person's name, however, not show the content on the lock screen, you need to turn off the preview to never. This will still give you like a lock screen notification and it'll say text from, however, it will hide the content of that message. Now, if you do not want any kind of notification on the lock screen, you need to unselect this and you'll no longer get anything on the lock screen. However, you'll still get things on the notification and banner whenever you're using your phone. And finally, if you want to completely turn off all text message notification from appearing anywhere in your notification, your banner, you just simply turn off allow notification to off, and this will ensure that it is totally off. Unless, of course, if you have a critical alert, that will appear unless you turn this setting off as well. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.